Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and freeing space, because Xcode installs are large and Mac OS mismatches break builds. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and open the App Store or Apple Developer Downloads page to fetch the update. Make a quick backup of active Git branches or archives so you can roll back if needed. Close Xcode and any simulators. That prevents permission errors. Now click Update or download the zip. While it downloads, prepare to accept licenses and allocate time for installation. After the download finishes, mount the zip or let the App Store handle replacement. Move Xcode into /applications to standardize paths. Once you open Xcode, accept the license agreement and allow it to install required components and simulators. This can take several minutes. Next, install or update command line tools. If they don't auto-install, run the installer or use Xcode Select. Finally, explicitly set the developer path with sudo xcode select switch/applications/xcode. Appso builds and tools point to the new installation. To finish, open Xcode and confirm the version in About Xcode, then perform a clean build on a small project to verify toolchains and simulators. If builds fail, clear derived data and restart the Mac, then reinstall command line tools and rerun Xcode Select. Make sure signing identities and provisioning profiles are intact. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist after those steps, fully delete /applications/Xcode app and reinstall from the App Store or zip. This resolves corrupted installs and missing components.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.